Pteridophytes, horsetails and ferns are included in this category. They are of medicinal importance and they are also soil binders. If we see evolutionary, these are the first of its kind to have vascular system, that is xylem and phloem. Plant body is sporophyte and it is having true leaves, true stem and true roots. Mother cell, in this sporangia gives us spore mother cell which undergo meiosis and gives us spores. These spores are also known as or will form prothallus, which is gametophyte, photosynthetic and thyroid in nature. The gametophyte combines with male and female sex organs, gives us zygote, and this zygote gives us sporophyte. If the two sporophytes are identical, it's homosporous, and if they are not, it's heterosporous. Megaspores or microspores respectively give us female or male gametophyte, which leads to formation of zygote. That is, fertilization of male and female leads to formation of zygote. So we just brief it out again. Pteridophytes are the plants whose dominant stage is sporophyte. They have true roots, stem and leaves. In these, sporangia gives spore mother cell which undergoes meiosis to give spores, and spores gives us gametophyte named as prothallus. Megaspores and microspores gives female as well as male gametophyte respectively, and these fertilize to form zygote. Next category is gymnosperms. In this, ovules or seeds are not enclosed by any ovary wall before or after fertilization. Taproot system is present and it is found to be associated with fungi, mycorrhiza in certain cases, to show symbiotic adaptation. Stem is unbranched and leaves could be simple as well as compound. They are heterosporous in nature. These spores are present on cones on which sporophylls are present, which gives sporangia, and thus spores are formed. Here these are cones or spore bills on which sporophylls are present, which gives us sporangia, and thus spores are formed. Male forms pollen and female forms ovule as gametophytes. The pollen grain then gets carried away by wind, animal, water or any medium, goes to ovule and leads to fertilization, which leads to formation of zygote. Zygote gives embryo and ovule is turned out into seed which is naked. So this is the life cycle of gymnosperms.